Now let's see this question. Integral 0 to pi by 2 log tan x dx. Now again I am going to use the same property that we have used in the earlier question. So what is it? Integral 0 to a f of x is equal to integral 0 to a f of a minus x. So if you assume that this entire integral, whatever is given is I am just writing it, let I equal to this one. Now I will also be equal to integral 0 to pi by 2 log of tan pi by 2 minus x, which means in place of x I am writing a minus x. Alright, so this is going to be cot x, so log cot x dx, right? So now if you observe it, these two are actually the same, representing the same integral, right? Now let me add these two. When we add these two, it is going to be 2 into I. So what is that we want? Actually we want the value of I, but then I got 2 into I, right? Now 2 into I is going to be integral 0 to pi by 2 log tan x dx plus integral 0 to pi by 2 log cot x dx. Since the integral is over the same interval, I can just take it as common, integral 0 to pi by 2 into log. Now it is log a plus log b. So log a plus log b can be written as log ab. So it can be written as log tan x into cot x dx. Now these two can be cancelled and it is going to be log 1. So what is log 1? 0, right? So this entire thing is going to be log 1, which means 0. So we got 0. So what does it mean? 2 into I happen to be 0, right? Then what does it mean? I equal to 0. So what is I? I is the actual integral given. So this entire value is going to be 0. Got it? Okay.
Hi, if you are planning to do masters, then doing masters abroad is better than doing masters in India. I'll give you all the reasons. So first reason is, out of 1 lakh students who take GATE every year, there are only 500 seats in old IITs. So all the IITs put together have an acceptance rate of 0.5%, and IITs, universities better than IITs, they have very good acceptance rate like 30%, 40%, but all the IITs put together have an acceptance rate of 0.5%. And if you are working hard to get into IIT Bombay's ranking is 177 and IIT Roorkee's ranking is 400. If you are happy to get into IIT Roorkee, then getting into universities better than IIT Roorkee is easier compared to getting into IIT Roorkee. And looking at the salaries for computer science, for software jobs, if you have done your masters in computer science in US, the salaries are ranging from 80 lakhs per year to 1.2 crore per year. So even if you take an average of 1 crore per year, your savings will be much higher than the salaries in India. After taxes and your cost of living, you can easily save 40 to 50 lakhs per year. And in India, the maximum jobs that you get is around 30 lakhs. So your savings will be much greater than the salaries in India. And these are all the services that we provide. University shortlisting. So depending on your profile, we will shortlist what are the universities that you have to apply, and statement of purpose building, and then LOR guidance, and GRE and English test assistance, and education loan assistance. So you don't have to have any collateral, which means without any security, now you can get education loan. Getting education loan is very simple these days, and whatever the amount of fee that you have a range of universities. You can apply for 10 lakh universities, 20 lakh universities, or 50 lakh universities. But whatever it is, you are going to get complete education loan, and you can pay off your education loan in 1 year after you get a job. And then we do visa assistance, mock visa interviews, and then connecting with the university alumni. So now you might ask why we should join Game of Visas. So the answer is we have 90% success rate, 99% success rate. And these are all the destinations that we guide the students to. So we guide students to any country that you want to go. So now it is not just USA. We guide to UK, Germany, Australia, Canada. So we guide students to all the countries. We work with all the destinations. And if you are interested in going abroad, you have to just drop us a message on this WhatsApp number 9494 555 454. Okay, thank you.